The couple have written love letters to one another. Jacqueline, would you like to share?
Nice.
No pockets. I promise to care for you, keep the fridge well stocked with chocolates, and to leave a meal waiting for you after a long day at court.
I vow to make you feel as special that you make me feel every day. I cannot imagine a day without you anymore. You are without a doubt the most amazing woman I have ever met.
Oh, wow. Hi. Oh, you look beautiful.
I now pronounce you married. You may kiss the bride.